Hi everyone, today we have a Dreamcast with no power. As we see here, there is no power at all. Let's take it apart. Starting with visual inspection, we see here a blown capacitor, so we need to replace this one for sure and check if we have another issue. Starting by removing this power board or BSCU. Be careful while removing this board because it could contain high voltage even without connecting to power. I will use my screwdriver to drain the capacitor. As you see here, there is no voltage at all. With my multimeter on continuity, I will start testing the fuse. As we see here, there is no continuity between the fuse legs. Also, we have a short between these coils. For sure, this came from this diodes. So we need to test these diodes in both directions. And as we see here, we have a short. So yeah, we need to replace both of these diodes and make a jumper wire on this fuse. And before this, we need to replace the big capacitor also. With the new capacitor in, we need to replace this diodes also. Now I have replaced both of diodes. We need to test for any shorts between the main EC or here we have no shorts. Let's check if we have any shorts between these legs. Okay, I think we are good to go, but let's test for any shorts between this capacitor legs. Okay, all seems to be good. Unfortunately, I have no compatible fuse for this particular board, so I will use this little jumper wire before testing. Now I will put it back together and test. As expected, now we have power, but we have no video cable, so it's a red power LED. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you.